Few days ago I went to hospital to check my health. Okay, so
everything looks fine, even good, except I have pretty high cholesterol.
and what about my bike? What is the health of my bike? And today I visit doctor again. Where is my baby? Looks like I am more healthy than my bike. This is doctor's concilium. They deciding what to do with my baby. We go to have tea or something. All bikers must come here and put their stickers. My bike finally, after almost 1 year, took shower and looks clean. Okay, we'll go home.